Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you 3 companies that are currently hiring worldwide. Basically, if you're anywhere in the world, these companies have an opportunity for you that you can apply and try on. And before I share that, I just wanted to share a tip for you to land a remote work. Please make sure your resume is optimized to the maximum. Please make sure that you're applying for a job that your resume speaks of. I have hired for a couple of years now, and I've seen people applying for jobs, but their CV don't speak of the position they're applying for. So make sure the resume you're sending is standing out. We are in a world where people are applying for these positions because they're looking for remote work. It's good, it's working for them, it's flexible. So that means the marketplace is very competitive. So to stand within a competitive market, you need to make sure your resume is good, your resume is optimized. It's the first thing the recruiter sees before the interview, before they get to know you. So let it be you. Let it be something that speaks of you fully and in a very good way. So let's get to the 3 companies that I'm going to share today. So the first company we have is Invisible. So Invisible is an AI sort of company, and they have numerous positions that they're looking to hire. So they do have tax managers, they do have AI data trainer, which is worldwide. They do have AI software developers, they do have software development as well, advanced software development. They have numerous, and all these positions they're looking for an AI trainer. So if you can be AI trainer, and the requirements for these positions, if you just open one to see what they're looking for, they are looking for you to be able to train the AI, evaluate the AI, and test the AI. So you need to have a bit of you need to be a natural writer, you need to be diligent reader, observant listener, self-aware interpreter, fluent in Japanese and other languages. So I think different positions will require to have maybe a different language, but they have a number of very many positions that you can try. So please check that out and apply for what suits you. And then the second company we do have Invisible. The second company we have is AstroPay. So AstroPay have a number of positions that they're looking for. So the positions are ranging from product to marketing to customer support to operations and software engineering, that is IT as well. So if you have a nudge for either of these, please go ahead and apply. So some of these positions are not worldwide available. Some of them are very specific to the region they're looking for, but a number of them are fully remote worldwide. You can be anywhere and you can go ahead and apply for this position. So please check it out on the description and go ahead and apply for what suits you. And then the last one, we do have Monroe. That is the name of the company. I'll leave the name on the description box. So they have 3 positions that they're currently hiring. So they have ad copywriter, they have a specialist in paid Google ads, and then they have a position for a project manager. So to apply, it's very easy. They have told you the employee location where you're supposed to be. The contract is full-time, and they have also given you the objectives of the role, your responsibility, and what they need from you in terms of skills and qualification. So those are the 3 for today. Please check the websites again on the description box. Go ahead and apply for these positions. You never know. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends. Bye.